Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll again discussing about other problems about physics, mathematics, chemistry, set of physics, chemistry, mathematics. As usual, let's go. So please take a screenshot. This is the first slide of problem that we will solve today. Okay, have you taken it? Great. Let's skip to the next slide. This is the third problem, which is chemistry problem. So you have done. If you have done taking the screenshot, please pause the video and do it by yourself. Give it a try first before you play the video again to watch my explanation about the answer to the problem. So the first question, the first problem is about metrics. In mathematics, metrics is a quite important topic, I think, to cover. I don't know if you have this class or not in school, but I think this is very important. So we are about to find the maximum value of the matrix P, the determinant of P, given that the value inside the 3 times 3 matrix, it can only have value of -1, 0, and 1. So, okay, we can write the matrix P as shown in the slide. Then the determinant here is as shown. Okay, so S1. So the determinant P equals A1 times B2C3 minus B3C2 minus A2 times in bracket B1C3 minus B3C1 plus A3 times in bracket B1C2 minus B2C1. Easy, right? So to make this determinant value to be maximum, we maybe first consider about bringing the subtraction expression to be 2, yeah, and a2 equals -1, so it will give us 6, but this will lead us to contradiction. Okay, because if b2c3 equals b1c3 equals b1c2 is 1, and b3c2 and b3c1 and b2c1 equals -1, then the multiplication will be either -1 and 1 at the same time, which is no sense. Okay, also the same contradiction occur when we want to change the a2 to be 1 and expect getting 5. For maximum value to be 5, one of the terms should be 0, but this will only make two terms to become 0. So 6 and 5 cannot be the answer. So after trying the next option, this is the correct one. So the maximum value of the determinant is therefore 4, as we can obtain from this form. Okay, so 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 1. Okay, so that's the first problem solution. And the second problem, it is about physics, about parabolic motion, and this is a very interesting one. Okay, so maybe from your high school you have learned the formula. I will not derive this again because I will have dedicated lesson on this parabolic motion, and you can just check the video. Maybe at the time this video release, I haven't made that video because maybe it will be on my ninth or 10th episode. I don't know. I still cannot decide. But here is the instant formula for you to use. If you want to derive it by yourself, it's up to you. Okay, so h, the maximum height, is equals u squared sine squared theta uh, over 2g, and the h you are given. So for the first time, the maximum height is 120, and it means the initial value of the velocity u squared times sine square 45 degree divided by 2 times 10. Or if you want to leave the g term to be g, it is up to you. It will be cancelled in the end, at the end, so it doesn't matter. And we can find u squared to be 4800. You don't need to take the square root of this term because we will use it directly in to find the kinetic energy for the initial condition, which is half times m times u squared, which gives us 2400 m. Okay, whereas the final kinetic energy, as stated in the passage, is half of the initial kinetic energy, that is 1200 m. M is the mass. Okay, we doesn't need this information as this will be cancelled. Okay, and this equals half times mv squared equals 1200 1200 m, not meter, which gives us v squared equal 2400. By using this information, we can now find the maximum height, which is h equals v squared sine squared theta divided by 2g, which is the v squared is as have been found before, which is 2400 times sine squared 30 degree over 2 times 10, which is 30 m. That's that. Okay. So this now we are going to discuss about the third problem, a chemistry problem. So let's break down its statement. So for A, its option is accompanied by a decrease in enthalpy and a decrease in entropy of the system. So let's see. So absorption typically involves molecules or atoms adhering to the surface of a solid or liquid. And this process often results in decrease in both enthalpy and entropy of the system as molecules are organized or attached to the surface. So the first option is correct. How about B? So the critical temperature of ethane and nitrogen are given. The absorption of ethane will be more than that of nitrogen on the same amount of activated charcoal at given temperature. Okay, so for this, B option also correct. Let's see why. Because at a temperature below its critical temperature, a gas can be liquefied by compression alone. Since the critical temperature of ethane is higher than that of nitrogen, so ethane is more easily liquefied. So it's correct. Okay, and therefore, the absorption of ethane on activated charcoal will likely be more than that of nitrogen. How about C? Okay, cloud is an emulsion type of colloid in which the liquid is the dispersed phase and gas is the dispersion medium. This is not correct. Let's see why. So a cloud is not an emulsion. It is rather a type of aerosol, which consists of tiny liquid water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air or gas. So an emulsion is actually a colloid in which one liquid is dispersed in another liquid. So it's not the same. So C is not correct. Okay. How about the Brownian motion of colloidal particles does not depend on the size of the particles but depends on the viscosity in the solution. This is not correct too. Let's see why. Brownian motion refers to the random movement of colloidal particles in a fluid medium, and this motion is primarily influenced by the size of the particles and the temperature of the medium rather than the viscosity of the solution. So this is not wholly correct. So this is not considered correct. So the correct option is only A and B. Yeah, that's the discussion for today. Let's see what quote I can give for you today. So Kajuko Okakuro once said that the art of life lies in a constant readjustment to our surroundings. So we always need to adapt ourselves to our surrounding as every time there will be change and um, is unavoidable. Okay. Yeah, so maybe that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give a like, comment, and share this video to your friends. And my class will be on every Tuesday and Thursday. So please come by Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, don't skip my class. Okay, keep watching and be thoughtful. See you. Bye. Keep healthy, keep and keep smart.